how to make a specific person miss you. I mean, miss you badly. Now please, use this with caution. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, we believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you are worthy of. That's why we invite you to subscribe and click that bell icon, because we're here almost every day to empower your life. So high flyers, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries, and we can help you too. So high flyers, maybe there is someone new in your life that you would really like them to have stronger feelings for you, to miss you more. Maybe there is someone that you've dated or been dating for a while, or maybe you've been in a casual relationship, or even in a deeper relationship, but it's been long distance. Or maybe you would even like to have your ex missing you more. It's very possible using the power of the mind and the law of attraction. You can make them miss you even if you're not in contact with them. We did a video on that. I'll have that link in the description for you. So high flyers, everything in the universe is vibration and frequency. And we're going to use that premise in order to get them to miss us more. Shift your thoughts and feelings from how much you miss them to how much they miss you. So think about that, high flyers. Most of the time, we're thinking about how much we miss someone. But every time that you begin to think about how much you miss that person, how much you'd like to be with them, spend more time with them, get to know them better, get back together with them, all you need to do is shift that and think about how much they miss you. Now, if you don't believe that they miss you, that's okay. The fact that you are creating that in your mind, in other words, you're thinking, man, it would sure be nice to hear from them. I'd like to spend some time together. You change that, and the thought is, they are thinking about how much they miss me and how much they would love to spend some time together and have some fun. Do you see what I'm doing? Every time I think about how much I miss her, I turn it around in my mind to how much she misses me. Now, I think this is an important factor because when you're missing someone, look, if you love someone, you're going to miss them. If you're falling in love, 5 minutes without them can be too long. I understand that. But that's contrary to law of attraction. Law of attraction gives you what you already have. So if you get in the habit of believing that they miss you and turning every time you miss them into them missing you, oh, I'm thinking about her. Well, she must be thinking about me. She'll probably call me or text me soon. Do you see what I just did? I completely inverted that feeling and thought, and I made it about how much she will miss me. Simple. So I know some of you are thinking, well, it's really not that simple, but it becomes a habit. And you start to catch yourself thinking about that other person or missing them and then inverting it. And pretty soon it becomes easy. And then after a while, it becomes automatic. And after it becomes automatic, everything begins to flow. The universe completely shifts and gets behind you and gives you what you desire. them missing you. Well, I debated about sharing this with you, but I'm going to do it anyway. I think you're ready for it. Visit someone in their dreams. In other words, if they're dreaming about you, you're absolutely certain that they're thinking about you. Because here they were dreaming about you all night. Now they get up, you're the first thought on their mind in their waking state. And you know how sometimes dreams are hard to shake? You know, they kind of stay with you all day until you go to bed the next night and kind of clear it out. Well, guess what? They won't be able to shake you, because when they go to bed the next night, bam, there you are again with more dream action. So here's how you do it. Step 1, set up a clear intention. My intention is to appear in Rachel's dreams tonight so that she misses me. Now, I'm going to talk to my subconscious mind for a moment. And I'm going to say, I command my subconscious mind, or if you don't like the word command, you can say, I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to create a reality where Rachel is thinking about me in her sleep during her dream world. Get the idea? You're literally commanding your subconscious mind to become a transmitter. As you fall asleep, visualize a ray of light, I prefer pink, connecting you from your heart center to their heart center. This is a heart-to-heart connection. And it's very important that you do this step, because connecting that ray from your heart center to their heart center puts it at a higher vibrational level. And that's where you want to keep it. Just before I fall asleep, I activate my third eye. I also visualize a beautiful indigo, kind of a light indigo energy from my third eye to their third eye. Okay, so now we're connected in the third eye, and we're connected in the heart center. Now, the next part is easy. I just fall asleep thinking about them. It's that easy, high flyers. You simply fall asleep thinking about them. So let's review. You've set the intention. You've talked to your subconscious mind for a moment. You've connected heart to heart. You've connected third eye to third eye. And now you simply fall asleep thinking about them. Now, of course, you need an incantation. And here's what you say as you're falling asleep. It's kind of a modified version of pillow talk. I feel that you miss me. I know that you are thinking of me. You are dreaming of me. I feel that you miss me. I know that you are thinking of me. You are dreaming of me. Well, high flyers, the next thing you want to include is daily scripting of the two of you doing things, having fun. In other words, the scripting should be about the two of you spending time together and having fun. And the more you script, the more you'll be thinking of the two of you having fun together, and the more they will be thinking of having fun with you. So this daily scripting is a wonderful way. And I like to do it in the morning after I get up, after I'm settled. You can do it at the breakfast table, but you do the scripting and then read it at night before you do your dream work. And number 5, in the morning, when you first wake up, 10 minutes, that first 10 minutes, claim it, it's yours. The wish fulfilled. What does it look like? What does it feel like to have them just thinking about you and missing you and texting you and calling you, and the two of you spending time together, and the two of you falling in love again, or falling in love for the first time, or getting married, or moving into a big, beautiful house together. Focus on the wish fulfilled. And I like to do that the first 10 minutes when I wake up in the morning. That's the best time. So there you go. There's a whole schedule, a litany of 4 different tools you can apply to get them to miss you. I mean, badly. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.